Welcome to this episode of Tech Talks, where we dive into interesting innovations in the realm of artificial intelligence. Today we're exploring Cline, a cutting-edge AI assistant designed to ease the complex world of software development. This tool is not just about enhancing productivity, it's about changing how we interact with our development environments. So, what is Cline? Imagine having an AI that understands your coding environment and can guide you like a knowledgeable friend. Thanks to Claude 3.5 Sonnet's coding capabilities, Cline can navigate through software development tasks, creating and editing files, exploring vast projects, and even executing terminal commands, all after you give it the green light. It's like having your very own coding sidekick. Now, one of the coolest features of Cline is the human-in-the-loop GUI. Why is this important? Well, often autonomous AI tools operate in isolated environments, leaving users feeling disconnected. With Cline, you have control over every file change and terminal command. This not only ensures safety, but also builds trust. You're in the driver's seat. Let's break down how Cline operates. Perhaps you're working on a large project with a complicated code base. Cline starts by diving into your file structures and analyzing source code. It's like it's reading the map before starting the journey. It utilizes regex searches to find what it needs and can highlight relevant files so it's not overwhelming. Curious about its capabilities? Cline can resolve errors proactively. For instance, imagine you're coding and you suddenly run into a syntax error. Cline monitors compiler errors and can often fix these issues on its own, like missing imports. This means less time debugging and more time being creative. And for you web developers out there, Cline can launch a site in a headless browser, capturing screenshots and console logs. Ever faced a visual bug? Cline can react to those runtime issues without needing you to manually sift through error logs. Talk about a game changer. Now, when tasks are completed, Cline presents results in a user-friendly manner. You run a simple command, and voila, your browser opens instantly. Isn't that pretty slick? Of course, Cline doesn't operate in a vacuum. It's designed to be compatible with various APIs, such as OpenAI and Google Gemini. This flexibility ensures you can utilize the latest and greatest models as they become available. What about those long processes? If you're running a development server, the proceed while running feature allows Cline to continue its work without interrupting the command that's running in the background. That's like having an extra set of hands while you code. And let's not forget about the way Cline handles files. You get a diff view of any changes, meaning you can review edits before they're finalized. It's a neat way to ensure everything meets your standards before you commit. Finally, Cline's multimodal capabilities allow it to analyze images. So if you have a design mockup you want to turn into an app, or if you need help fixing visual bugs, just paste an image into chat for context. This is a thrilling leap forward in how we leverage AI in development, isn't it? Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking question. As AI continues to evolve in coding and development, do you think it will enhance creativity or simply automate tasks? Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Tech Talks. Explore Cline, consider how it could revolutionize your development workflow, and stay curious about the evolving possibilities in AI. Until next time, happy coding.